In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the correct SWIFT BIC code for Bank of America transfers. If you're preparing for an international wire, getting this code right is essential. A SWIFT, also called a BIC, is a unique identifier that tells overseas banks exactly where to send your money. It's different from a routing number or account number, and it can vary based on the currency and sometimes even the location associated with your account. Start by checking your bank statement. Many banks list the SWIFT or BIC code in the section that explains international transfer details, often near the fine print or in a dedicated wire transfer area. This can be on paper statements or in the PDF version of your e-statements. Look specifically for the words SWIFT, BIC, or international wire information. If you see multiple codes mentioned, match the one labeled for incoming international wires and confirm it aligns with the currency you'll be using. Next, log into your online banking or the mobile app. Navigate to your account details and look for wire transfer information. Some banks include a SWIFT BIC right alongside your account and routing numbers, or in a help article within the app. Be sure you're viewing details for the exact account you'll use, and note whether the displayed code is for international wires. If your payment will be in a specific currency, make sure the code shown corresponds to that currency. If you're unsure, or the code isn't displayed, contact your local branch or customer support and ask for the correct SWIFT or BIC code for your account. Let them know the currency of the transfer and whether it's incoming or outgoing so they can provide the precise code you need. Have your account information handy so they can verify the details quickly. Some institutions also rely on standard SWIFT codes. For Bank of America, BOFA-US3 NXXX is commonly used for USD domestic transfers when a SWIFT is requested, and BOFA-US6S is used for foreign currency transfers. If your recipient asks for an 8-character code instead of 11, it's typically fine to use the first 8 characters. XXX simply denotes the primary office. That said, always confirm which code your specific transfer requires because requirements can vary by branch and currency. To wrap up, check your statement, verify in online or mobile banking, contact your branch if needed, and use standard codes only when they apply to your situation. SWIFT codes are required for international wires, and getting them right helps your transfer arrive smoothly and on time.